Quiz Platter. A platter full of knowledge. When was Nelson Mandela born? Answer B, 1918. Where was Mandela born? Answer C, Mvezo. What was Mandela's birth name? Answer A, Rolihlahla. Which clan name is Mandela also known by? Answer D, Madiba. Where did Nelson Mandela study law? Answer C, Wits. Which political party did Mandela join? Answer B, African National Congress, ANC. What was the system of racial segregation called in South Africa? Answer D, apartheid. Which armed wing did Mandela co-found? Answer A, Umkhonto we Sizwe. How many years did Mandela spend in prison? Answer D, 27. On which island was Mandela imprisoned? Answer C, Robben Island. When was Mandela released from prison? Answer B, 1990. When did Mandela become South Africa's first black president? Answer A, 1994. Which Nobel Prize did Mandela win? Answer C, Peace. Who shared the Nobel Peace Prize with Mandela? Answer D, Frederick Willem de Klerk. What principle did Mandela promote after becoming president? Answer A, reconciliation. Which sport did Mandela use to unite South Africa? Answer B. Rugby. When did Mandela step down as president? Answer C. 1999. When did Nelson Mandela pass away? Answer A. 2013. What was the main goal of the Rivonia trial? Answer D. Try leaders for sabotage. Mandela's approach to South Africa's white minority was? Answer B. Reconciliation. Quiz. Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.